Housemates, naghahanap ka ba ng property na 3 bedrooms with parking? Baka ito na ang hinahanap mo. Ito ay located dito sa Lucena City near SM. Kung naghahanap ka ng 3 bedroom property with parking or carport, baka ito na, napakamura. Model Amelia ng Village of St. Jude. Sold out na itong location na to, phase 5B. But alam mo ba na magbubukas na ang next phase ng Village of St. Jude Lucena? Ang phase 6. Housemates, naghahanap ka ba ng property na 3 bedrooms with parking? Baka ito na ang hinahanap mo. Ito ay located dito sa Lucena City near SM. Hintayin mo ako dyan, lalabas lang ako. Ipipresent ko sa iyo kung gaano kaganda itong Model Amelia. Hi everyone, I am Francis Obal, your real estate broker. Welcome home. Housemates, kung naghahanap ka ng 3 bedroom property with parking or carport, baka ito na, napakamura. Model Amelia ng Village of St. Jude. Located dito sa Lucena City. Napakalapit mo lang sa SM City, Lucena, and big establishments around the area. Let me present you this house. So, ito housemates ang Model Amelia. 3 na ang kwarto. It has a 75 square meters minimum na lot area. Kita mo naman yan, may space ka pa dito, and as well as sa kabilang part ng iyong bahay. Meron itong 58 square meters na floor area. So, depende ang cut ng iyong lupa sa i-avail mong location ng Model Amelia. Depende sa block and lot. Pero lahat ng Amelia model natin, mostly ay corner lot. So, meron tayong mas malaking cut. Depende dun sa corner, housemates. And magdedepende ang total contract price ng Model Amelia sa cut ng lupa. I'll show you what's inside. So, nakita nyo naman, housemates, sa gutter pa lang panalo ka na pag nasa corner lot ang property mo. You have a space here na pag nagpabakod ka, meron ko pang extra space to put some of your things right here. Ano po? This is your carport. Kasya dito ang sasakyan, even van or SUV. You can also extend your parking area dito. Let me show you inside. Sa door natin, housemates, we have a metal door na. Sa 3 bedrooms na napaka-affordable price, meron ka ng malawak na living and dining area. You can put here L-shaped sofa, 4 to 6 seater sofa, and a mini table right here. Or nasa sayo, depende kung saan mo gustong ilagay ang iyong television set. Pwede dito. Nasa sayo na kung paano mo bibigyan ng characteristic yung iyong living room. Pakita ko muna sa iyo yung isang kwarto. By the way, housemates, dahil sa ating mga awning window dito near your front door, meron ka ng access sa natural light. Hi, meron tayong visitor. Again, housemates, meron ka ng awning windows dito para sa good ventilation and airflow. So, let's go to your first bedroom. Napaka-spacious. I think kasya dito even queen size bed. You have your sliding windows para pumasok ang hangin and syempre natural light. And then from your living room, you can have this area as your dining area. Ano po? So you can attach your 3 to 4 seater dining table dito. This is your another bedroom. Napakalawak, housemates. Since 3 ang kwarto mo, if hindi mo pa naman ginagamit lahat, pwede mo itong gawing office area or working station. You can put here your computer desk or anything you want to do. Same as the other bedrooms, meron kang 2 sliding windows na malalaki para sa natural light and airflow, good ventilation. Let's go to bedroom number 3. So malawak siya, kasya even lalaking bed. You can also put some cabinets wherever you want. And also, ayan, napakalalaki ng ating bintana para sa maaliwalas na hangin. Makikiraan po, excuse me. So let's go to your kitchen. This space is provision para sa iyong refrigerator or any appliances you want that fits. May outlet na rin tayo, single sink, may overhead cabinets na tayo para sa iyong dry goods and canned goods. Ano po, may based cabinet na rin tayo. Kasama na to once you turn over. May outlet din tayo para sa microwave and other kitchen appliances. You also have here your space as your service area. Pwede ka maglagay ng washing machine. May outlet na din tayo. And my drainage system po. As you look up here, polycarbonate roof, skylight, maliwanag ang ating bahay. Equipped na rin po ito with exhaust fan. So if magluluto tayo dito, hindi makangami sa ating living and dining space. Ano po? And then here is your toilet and bath. Complete na siya ng accessories or ng fixtures once i-turn over. Meron na rin siyang bowl, lavatory with shower, and partition na din po. I'll repeat, this property is Amelia model dito sa Village of St. Jude, Lucena. Meron din tayong Amelia model sa Village of St. Jude, Sariaya, and 2 other Village of St. Jude project. Pero dun po sa mga hindi umabot, since alam nyo naman at dun sa mga nakafollow sa atin, pati yung ating mga clients na sold out na itong location na to, phase 5B. But alam mo ba na magbubukas na ang next phase ng Village of St. Jude, Lucena, ang Phase 6. At nandun po ang napakaraming model natin ng Amelia, Claire, and Margaret. So, I'll repeat, housemates, this is model Amelia with 75 square meters minimum lot area. Most of our models are corner lot. And then sa floor area, meron tayong 58 square meters. Available ito mapapag-ibig or bank financing. So, if may questions ka regarding this property, message mo lang ako. And I will be happy to help and assist you. Again, I am Francis Oval, your real estate broker. Welcome home.